This is the Alarm Clock Car, a project in Computer Engineering 146 by Jonathan Chen and Andrew Javier. The central component of this car is this SJ1 board, which controls peripherals such as this H-bridge, a couple of IR proximity sensors, and a buzzer. To power up the SJ1 board, we have a power bank, and to power the other peripherals, we have a battery box that contains 4 AA batteries. The steering of the alarm clock car is controlled by the L298N H-bridge. The H-bridge comes with 2 motor outputs, each of which control an opposite side of the DC motors. Now each motor has 3 different inputs. There is an enable that controls the speed using the pulse width modulation output from the SJ1 board. Then there are 2 inputs that control the direction of the wheels.
And for the alarm car, we have 2 IR sensors, which are the Sharp 2Y0A21. And with these IR sensors, they send an analog signal to the SJ1 board to the ADC port, which converts the analog signal to an integer value, which we would use to compare in our code for obstacle avoidance.
The functionality of the alarm clock car is divided up into 3 phases. The first phase is to set up the timer. This one uses 3 buttons. The button on the far left is used to increment the counter by 1 minute each press. The button adjacent to it will reset the timer. Now, when the user has decided on a time they want the alarm to go off in, they press the 3rd button to start the countdown, which will enter the next phase. Now for the final phase, the countdown hits 0 and the car starts going.